Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this new Firebird Ganzo FH51 folding pocket knife. This is a new model Ganzo for 2019 that is a smaller mid-sized knife that many Ganzo fans have been eagerly awaiting. Mid-size in that the overall length is 7.28 inches long with a blade length of 3.18 inches, and the handle is just a little over 4 inches long, 4.09 inches. Ganzo has normally been known for making a little larger knives in the 8 to 8.5 inch type range. They're FH11, FH21, FH31. This FH51 is a little smaller and it comes with all of the nice features of the others, including ball bearing pivot that makes the knife just open as smooth as butter with a flipper. And it closes equally as well. Has a nice detent in it. Just overall, it's a great design, and I give this knife high ratings for the $26 budget price point that I paid for it. It's just a great design. Feels very nice in my hand. The G10 lightly textured scale handles has a small backspacer in it, but it almost feels like it's one piece molded. The fit and finish is so nice on it. The blade is made out of a D2, a Chinese D2 material. It's a drop point blade design with a hollow grind, almost flat, but hollow grind with a small tapered swedge. It's got a satin finish, plain edge. It has a large finger choil on the bottom side of the blade that allows me to clinch up on the blade very nicely. And it has heavy jimping on the thumb ramp on top of the blade. It's a really cool blade design. I love it. The G10 handle comes in 4 different colors. This is the light gray. It's nicely sculptured. It has recessed stainless steel liners and a liner lock, which works excellently. The top liner has been skeletonized. And flipper opening, jimping on the flipper tab. It's tip-up carry design with a nice stainless steel carrying clip that is right hand only, backside only fit, and it fits fairly deep in the pocket. You see some of the handle. The blade centering is excellent, just almost perfect. It's perfect. Just a nice little design knife. It's again, Ganzo has upped the bar on quality for their budget pocket knives with this little FH51. Has a nice lanyard hole in the back. Just the design, the feel, and the fit are all very nice. Okay, everybody, there it is. It is the new, for 2019, Ganzo FH51 folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.